Product lists are one of Viking Electric's most popular digital tools. You may think of them as a digital post-it note. They are a way to save the products you regularly use in one easily accessible location on our website or mobile app. You do need to have a Viking Electric account number to register for online access. If you need more help on setting up your online account, click our link in the notes below on how to register for an online account or email us at viking.online@vikingelectric.com. Now, let's take a look at how product lists work on the Viking Electric website. First, make sure you are logged in to vikingelectric.com. Once you are logged in, product lists can be found a couple of different ways. The first is by clicking your account dashboard and scrolling to the product list widget. If you do not see a product list widget, simply scroll to the bottom and click the plus circle that says Add Tile. Find the product list button and toggle it on. Close out, and now you should see the product list widget on your desktop. The second way to access product lists is by clicking My Account in the top right of your screen. Product lists are about halfway down. You can move the widget to wherever you would like on your dashboard. Drag the double arrows at the bottom right corner of the widget to change the size. Click the link here in the bottom right corner to expand the widget and get a full page view. To create a product list, search for an item. And from the search results page, click on the description of that item to access its product details page. Scroll towards the bottom until you see Add to My Product Lists. If you have created any product lists, they will show here. Add this item to an existing list by clicking Add to List. If you have not created any product lists yet, this is what the screen will look like. To add this item to a brand new list, click Create New Product List. Here, you'll want to name your new list. You also have the option to add notes if you choose. Next, you'll choose who within your company you want to be able to view this list. You have three options. The first option is My Company. This means anybody in your company with access to vikingelectric.com can view this list. The second option is One Location. If you have separate job accounts set up with Viking Electric, you will have the option to save your list to a specific project or ship to account. Finally, you can choose to make the list visible to only me, meaning the only person that can see this list is the person who created it, you. The final step is to click Create to finish your list. Now that this list is saved, you can go out and search for other items to add to this list. Let's search for some more 15 amp switches to add. Again, we click on the item we'd like to add, scroll to the bottom, click Add to My Product List, and look for the list we'd like to add this product to, and simply click the plus sign, Add to List. You can also turn a previous order into a list for future estimates or purchases. Simply go to the Quotes and Orders section of the website, which you can find under My Account, and then Orders and Quotes. Search for the order you would like to save as a list. Open it and scroll to the bottom. Click Add Items to Product List here on the right. You have two options. Either select which existing list you would like to add this item to, or create an entirely new list by clicking Create New Product Lists. Once you've created your product list, to find it, go to My Account, My Product List, and here you will see a list of all the product lists you've created. You can sort by any of these headers to quickly find your list. To find the one we just created, simply click Created On, toggle to the most recent, and you'll see the list we just created. Within an individual list, you can edit the name of the list, the notes for the list, and the visibility of the list by clicking into those different fields. Within the list, we also show a detailed description of each product as well as live inventory levels. If you'd like to rearrange the order of your list, you can click on these crossed arrows and drag and drop that item to its preferred position on the list. If you have numerous lists, you can type in different keywords from the list title or the notes section to quickly find the list that you are looking for. You can also choose to see just the list that you have created by checking this box here next to the Show My Product List Only. We also have a number of helpful lists that we have already created for you that contain popular products and commodity items. To view these pre-made lists, visit My Account and then My Product List. Beneath Create New Product List, you'll see a link called Explore Suggested Product Lists. Click this to view our pre-made lists of popular items. You can also turn your shopping cart into a product list. This can be especially helpful when you are ordering material that you know you will need again. Just click on the Add to Product List at the top of your shopping cart and follow the same steps we previously demonstrated. If you'd like to purchase this item or add it to your shopping cart, you can enter a quantity and then click Add to Cart. Notice you're also given the option to update the saved quantity. By clicking on that, I'm making it so that next time I access this list, a quantity of 2 is automatically here for this item. If I'd like to add multiple items from this list, but not necessarily all of them, I can click the box next to the items I'd like to add and click Add Selected to Cart, or I can delete these items from the list as well. If I'd like to delete an individual item, I can click on the red Delete button here. Since I've added items from my product list into my shopping cart, when I go into that cart, you will see that any comments that existed for an item on that list have been passed into my cart with that item. And if I were to place this order on the website, these comments would appear for my sales representative to review, as well as appear as line item comments on the invoice I received for this order. Whether you're looking to create a list for estimating truck stock replenishment, an upcoming project, or a facility storeroom, Viking Electric's digital support team is here to help you get started. This concludes our product list demo. If you have any additional questions on how this tool can benefit you, don't hesitate to reach out to Viking Electric's digital team at viking.online@vikingelectric.com.